Green technologies are only viable when they are tested and implemented in real-world settings, such as those found on a college campus like Rochester Institute of Technology.
In the case with the LED lamps, that's exactly what we did here at RIT. We purchased samples from various manufacturers. We installed them in various locations, moved them around. We were looking for how did they perform, were they reliable, what did it take to install them.
But RIT wanted more than quality LED lighting from a reputable supplier. They wanted a partner to share in their search for energy-efficient lighting solutions.
I always like to joke about this being a real right brain, left brain place where we're sort of filled with geeks and artists. The fact we have all these right brainers and left brainers around makes this a kind of an ideal place to go a little bit outside the box and look at alternative ways of doing things.
We looked for an institution that was committed to innovation, that was committed to entrepreneurship, and we found that in RIT.
So in December 2011, the Institute began retrofitting fluorescent fixtures around campus with custom-designed Translux LED lamps.
We took it a building at a time because our library, we installed 2,800 of the LED lamps. We did it in the evenings when the amount of patrons in the library was reduced so that we wouldn't be in the way. Most of our academic buildings, labs, classrooms, hallways, we also did in the evening hours for the same reasons.
Working around student and faculty schedules was challenging, but fortunately, the transition to LEDs was remarkably straightforward.
Upgrading to the LED lamps was easy. It took about 8 minutes per fixture.
One of the major advantages that we have is that we're nimble enough to be able to react to a customer's needs and create customized products. RIT is a perfect example. We found that our 16-watt lamps and our 18-watt lamps just didn't fit. The 16 watts didn't have enough light output. The 18 watts had too much. The product that we custom built for RIT is actually 16.3 watts, the first in the industry, and it fit the bill at RIT perfectly.
Now, a year later, and with 20,000 lamps installed, RIT is able to accurately assess if the partnership with Translux and the LED lighting have met the Institute's expectations.
Completely. In fact, it's exceeded my expectations. For example, I was expecting to have some issues with their employee population and student population relating to the quality of lighting, the lighting spectrum and the like, and we've had absolutely none. In fact, everybody's very enthusiastic about the lighting spectrum.
Yet for all the kudos from students and faculty, it's the reduced maintenance, efficiency, and ultimately savings that makes this conversion to Translux LED lighting a measurable success.
They allow savings on the labor side of the equation in that we're not having to change lamps as often. The LED lamps last twice as long as their counterpart fluorescent. The greatest savings, of course, is on the electrical side because the new LEDs draw half the wattage that the traditional fluorescent lamps drew. There's additional savings because on the cooling side of the buildings, there's less cooling going on. We're anticipating saving around $300,000 based on the 20,000 lamps that we've installed thus far.
With fewer than half the lamp changes, lower cooling costs, and dramatic electric savings, RIT is now installing LED lighting wherever feasible. They've proven that Translux LEDs are an affordable green technology that not only saves the environment, but dollars as well. However, perhaps what's equally important is what this success offers each partner for the future.
Translux has been a great partner for RIT in this whole venture, and we've been pleased with the partnership. We're pleased with the product, and we're going to have a chance to not only test and install Translux products, but we're also going to have a chance to interact with Translux on its future.
We're going to take the lamp that we custom built for RIT, and we're going to go to every other institution around the United States and frankly around the world and share it with them because we know it's the right product for academia. So for Translux, from a product perspective, we get a significant amount of benefit there. For the university, they get to work with a leader in LED technology. So it's truly a win-win.